Today we are stuffing my emergency fund, card maintenance, March savings challenge, and a few new envelopes I'm adding to my system. Hey y'all, welcome back to my Sacred Savings, where we don't do broke, stressed, or confused anymore. If you are new here, my name is Patricia, and this channel is where I share my journey of budgeting, saving money, and building financial peace. One prayer, one plan, one saved dollar at a time. And to my sacred savers, welcome back, family. Welcome back, family. In my last video, I showed you how I break down my cash stuffing using my cash envelope breakdown sheet and my monthly savings tracker. Today, we're putting that plan into action and stuffing these envelopes. All right. We're going to go ahead and count this money. Okay, so today we are cash stuffing 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 205. These little things are sticky. 202, no, that was 205, 207, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. It's supposed to be 33 here. What did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. So that's 28. 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 28 plus 5. Okay, 33. Okay. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, those two threw me off. Can I say off? I have another 10. Okay, guys, that took a moment. All right. Okay, so as you all know, first up is going to be my emergency fund. I didn't even grab any markers, but that's okay. Okay, so emergency fund is getting $20. I'm trying not to make this video so long, you all. This you all, this is the money I set aside for unexpected situation, like medical bills or anything that life just throws at your way. Emergency bill. Y'all know how it goes. Okay. Okay, smooth transition. Not like the last cash stuff. Oh, what am I doing? It's me this time. It's me. Okay, so next is going to be car maintenance, and that is getting $5. Cars always need something eventually. They need oil change, tires, or repairs. So this helped me prepare ahead of time. We're gonna go ahead and stuff this money, honey. No. Okay, so I think I had to exchange one of my 10s for 2 5s the other day out of this one. Okay, you guys, so next is going to be, oh no, what did I do? Okay, so the next one is going to be okay, yeah. Next is going to be website, which is going to get $5. I'm saving toward my website expenses so I could pay things yearly instead of monthly. But I'm going to have to add a little bit more than that because I had a cheaper one and I just switched. So and then this is hopefully by the end of the year that I'm working on this. So at the beginning of the year, I could just go a smooth transition with yearly and then stuff accordingly. Okay, so we are finished with this one. Okay, so next is going to be Fruit of the Spirit is the next saving challenge. This reminds me to stay grounded in things like patience, kindness, self-control while building my savings. And this one is getting $8. Okay, and so $8. And it's $2 each letter, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, and today we are working on kindness, fruit of the spirit. So you guys, be kind to everyone. You never know what people is going through. Kindness is free. A smile, a compliment, anything. Okay, so this is $8 and we're adding 2. I'm gonna have to condense this soon. So we have a total of 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. sit that right there. And next we are going to the March challenge. All right. Okay, and so for the March challenge, we are stuffing $10. And here is where our twos are coming. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I like doing these challenges because they make saving a little more fun. And I'm going to add even more to it, guys. This is so fun for me. That's why it's kind of easy for me to save. That's 2. 4. Now, excuse me for the wrinkled shirt. And then we have, this is 8. And 10. And I love looking at those twos. And the goal was to use the twos because they have all the twos for March. But I'm going to see if I can condense these out and get twos for the whole month of March. Okay, so far for March savings, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the goal for this month challenge is 60. So we have 20 so far. Okay, sit that right there. Okay, and then next is going to be, well, we're going to go ahead and do this. Remember, guys, this is where our savings, our higher yield savings account is, and we just put $50 in there. So let me go ahead and do 2 of these 25. Trying to spread out the love a little bit, you all. And like I said before, this is it's fun to save with the cash stuffing, the saving challenges, but I do need to start putting something in the high yield. So that's what we're also doing. So $50 went into there. Okay, so you guys, and then next is our ones for our one saving challenge. So today we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Not bad. We're gonna have to start using another one of these. Remember, we're counting this at the end of the year. I know I always say it, but it's for my new people. I had the savings challenge of $60, and after the 61s, I stopped counting because we're going to count this at the end of the year. Hold on, you guys. Say what? Yes. Oh, no, go ahead. You guys, that's my hubby. You gonna say good morning to the people?
Good morning.
Okay, y'all. So now we have new envelopes that we are stuffing. I added a few new envelopes to my system. We're gonna try something different to see if we can spend money less on food. So that's my driver license that I covered up. So the first one is for groceries, and groceries is getting $100. If I can open it. Okay, so grocery is getting $250, which is $100. Okay, and the next is the laundry envelope, which I'm adding $50 to it. So that gets a 20, 2 10s, and a 5. So that is, 20, 30, 40, 45. Oh. Wait a minute. Did I do something? Okay, so 20, 30, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so next up is laundry, and that is getting $50, and that's going to be a 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 10, 30, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Going into laundry. Okay, and the next one is household, and this is getting 20, and I could not find my household envelope, so I know it's in here somewhere. So what I'm going to do is, since I also get the household items when I get my grocery items, I'm just going to sit that 20 like this up in there. And that is it for today's cash stuffing. It always feels good seeing everything organized and knowing exactly where my money is going. And if you want to see how I plan my sinking fund and saving challenges, I have a full playlist link below. All right, Sacred Savers, thank you so much for spending time with me here at My Sacred Savings, where we don't do broke, stressed, or confused anymore. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Give yourself grace, keep showing up, and keep doing the best you can with what you have. If this video encouraged you, go ahead and like, bing, subscribe, and share it with another Sacred Saver. I'll see you in the next one. One prayer, one plan, one saved dollar at a time. Bye.